Learn Hindi adjectives fast, hot to cheap in.
Hindi.
And English. Welcome to the adjective circus. Hey, you are about to learn Hindi the fun way. Today, you will meet 9 useful words and probably one overdramatic samosa. Welcome, brave language explorer. Imagine you walk into a bizarre street market where every object has a personality and absolutely no shame. Your mission is simple: survive the market and learn Hindi adjectives. If the tea screams, it is
Garm.
If the water gives you an icy attitude, it is
Thanda.
If a shopkeeper says, listen, this is
Mahatvapurn.
then yes, that means important. If your answer is right, it is
Sahi.
If your answer is gloriously, painfully wrong, it is
Galat.
A door can be
Khula.
open or
Band.
closed, and in the market, your wallet will quickly learn the difference between
Mehenga.
expensive and
Sasta.
cheap. Let the chaos begin. Tea trouble at stall number 1. Start with temperature words because your tongue deserves a warning label. Listen and picture the scene. You walk to the first stall and order tea with confidence. The vendor smiles like a magician and hands you a cup. Steam rises. He says,
Garm.
Single quote. That means hot. You bravely take a sip too soon and your face makes the expression of a surprised tomato. Yes, the tea is
Garm.
Say it with me.
Garm.
Then you ask for water to recover. Plot twist. The water is
Thanda.
cold, very cold, cold enough to make your teeth hold a meeting. Now repeat the pair. Hot is
Garm.
cold is
Thanda.
again.
Garm. Thanda.
Mini scene. The soup is hot becomes the soup is
Garm.
Single quote. The water is cold becomes the water is
Thanda.
Single quote. The professor of dramatic signs. Now meet the market professor, a man who treats every label like a life lesson. He is exhausting, but useful. A serious man points to a giant red sign and whispers, this is
Mahatvapurn.
Single quote. Important. He does not point to treasure, gold, or secret maps. No, he points to a sign that says, do not sit on the mangoes. Honestly, fair enough. That is important. He raises one finger like a wise movie teacher and repeats.
Mahatvapurn.
You repeat it too. Think of it when something really matters. A passport, a message, your keys, are not sitting on mangoes. One more time. Important is
Mahatvapurn.
right, wrong, and one confused parrot. This section is for every moment when you guess boldly and reality says no. Let us meet a judgmental bird. At the next booth, a parrot runs a quiz show. Because apparently that is normal here. You answer the first question. The parrot shouts.
Sahi.
Single quote. Correct. You feel smart for 3 whole seconds. Then you answer the second question with heroic confidence. The parrot leans forward and says.
Galat.
Single quote. Wrong. So here is the key contrast. Correct is
Sahi.
wrong is
Galat.
quick drill. If the answer is right, say
Sahi.
if the answer is wrong, say
Galat.
tiny dialogue. Is this the correct road? Yes, it is.
Sahi.
Single quote. Is this answer wrong? Yes, it is.
Galat.
Single quote. Door drama. No language lesson is complete without a suspicious door. You know it, I know it, the door knows it. You arrive at a little shop. The door is wide.
Khula.
Open. Sunlight comes in, music plays, and one cat walks out like it owns the building. Later, you come back after lunch. Now the shop is
बंद,
closed. The same cat is outside, judging your timing. Remember the pair. Open is
खुला,
closed is.
बंद,
Try these. The door is open becomes the door is.
खुला,
Single quote. The shop is closed becomes the shop is.
बंद,
Single quote. One more time with dramatic voice.
खुला, बंद,
Your wallet enters the chat. Now for shopping words. This is where your vocabulary grows and your money gets nervous. You see a shiny watch. You ask the price. The shopkeeper says a number so large that even your eyebrows step backward. The watch is
महंगा,
expensive. You slowly place the watch back like it is made of royal taxes. Then you find another watch in a smaller shop. It is simple, nice, and blessed by your budget. It is
सस्ता,
cheap. Repeat the pair. Expensive is
महंगा,
cheap is.
सस्ता,
Funny market truth. One potato can be
महंगा,
if it thinks it is a luxury item. But the smart potato on sale is
सस्ता,
mini dialogue. Is this bag expensive? Yes, it is.
महंगा,
Single quote. Is that hotel cheap? Yes, it is.
सस्ता,
Single quote. Rapid fire challenge. You have met all 9 words. Now let us see if your brain is awake and not secretly on vacation. I say the English word, you say the Hindi word. Hot,
गर्म,
cold,
ठंडा,
important,
महत्वपूर्ण,
correct,
सही,
wrong,
गलत,
open,
खुला,
closed,
बंद,
expensive,
महंगा,
cheap.
सस्ता,
Bonus contrast round.
गर्म,
Versus,
ठंडा, सही,
versus,
गलत, खुला,
versus,
बंद, महंगा,
versus.
सस्ता.
Goodbye, genius shopper. You did it. Your Hindi vocabulary is now stronger, funnier, and slightly more dramatic. Today you learned how to describe tea, water, answers, doors, and prices like a Hindi-speaking market hero. You learned
गर्म, ठंडा, महत्वपूर्ण, सही, गलत, खुला, बंद, महंगा,
and.
सस्ता.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words out loud, and come back to them tomorrow so they stick. You are doing great. Keep going.